Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we look back at the life of Nobel laureate James Watson, the scientist who made the discovery of the century, unlocking the structure of DNA at just 24, revolutionizing biology forever, and leaving behind a legacy both celebrated and controversial after his passing at 97. His story is one of brilliance and complexity, a man whose discovery reshaped science, but whose later words cast long shadows over his reputation. His death was confirmed by his son Duncan on Friday. He was in a hospice, shifted earlier in the week from the hospital where he was undergoing treatment for an infection. James Watson shared the 1962 Nobel Prize with Francis Crick and Maurice Wilkins for discovering the double helical structure of DNA in 1954. Watson was just 24 when the discovery was made. The breakthrough solved the mystery of how information was stored and how cells duplicate and pass it on. This was a genetic blueprint of life. It was the most important discovery of the 20th century and revolutionized molecular biology. In the following years, he authored a book, The Double-helix, in 1968, and Molecular Biology of the Gene in 1965. He was also the first U.S. director of the controversial National Center for Human Genome Research Project, led by the National Institutes of Health. The human genome is made up of approximately 3 billion base pairs, denoted by chemical letters A, T, C, and G. The Human Genome Project was to sequence all the base pairs and store information in a publicly available database. However, Watson left the project in 1992 due to disagreements with the NIH director Bernardine Healy over the policy of patenting the human genome sequence. Watson, later in life, drew widespread criticism for his racist remarks about the intelligence of black people, and in 2019, in a documentary, he said that the average IQ difference between black and white people was genetic. Following his remarks in the 2007 interview and the 2019 documentary, he was removed from all administrative roles and trusteeship in the Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, a place where he had served since 1968. His remarks on race and IQ in 2008 led the CSHL Board of Trustees to remove him from all administrative roles and his appointment as a CSHL trustee, Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory wrote. When he made similar statements in 2020, the board revoked his emeritus status and severed all connections with him. Thanks for tuning in to this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.